Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to track your progress in learning a skill with Notion. First up, create a new page in Notion. This will be your skill tracking dashboard. The reason we do this is to have an organized space where we can visualize our learning progress. Now that we've done that, let's set up tables for each skill you're learning. Click on Create a Table and name it after your skill, such as French language. The tables will allow us to categorize our learning objectives for each skill, making them easier to track. Next up, in each table, create columns for goals, progress, and completion date. This helps us because it breaks down the learning process into concrete, measurable steps. For instance, under the goals column, you can write, "Learn 20 new French words this week." In the progress column, you'll update how many words you've learned each day. Now, here's where the magic happens. We're going to use Notion's progress bar property. Add a new column, select progress bar under property type. Update this bar as you make progress on your goals. The reason we do this is to have a visual representation of our progress, which can be incredibly motivating. Finally, let's create a reflections section. This will be a space for you to note down any thoughts, difficulties, or breakthroughs you have during your learning journey. You can do this by creating a toggle list titled Reflections. This helps us because reflecting on our learning process deepens our understanding and helps us identify areas for improvement. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to track your progress in learning a skill with Notion. Remember, the key is consistency in updating your progress and reflections. Happy tracking!